Today, on Moment of Unquestionable Truth, is it advisable for a man who rents a house for his girlfriend visit the house without taking permission from the girl that he's coming? Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
Okay, assuming you rent a house for your girlfriend, do you still need permission to visit her?
No, I don't need permission to visit her because it's my money, and based on agreement, I rent the house for her. So I have every other permission to go there at any time, at any moment. Yes.
Thank you.
Because she's just like my wife.
Yes.
So I can go there at any time. You know, you don't need permission to enter your wife's room.
Okay.
Yes. So I don't need permission to go to my girlfriend's room when I rent it for her.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
Assuming your boyfriend rent a house for you, does he need the permission to visit that house?
Sure.
Why?
Because we are not married yet. I'm still single. I've not yet concluded on him. So he needs to take permission before coming. Even though I know, even if he come, whatever I'm doing that, or whosoever I'm with, have to leave that place. But he needs permission first. That's my own principle.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you rent house for your girlfriend,
Okay.
do you still need permission to go to that house?
Why not? It's decency. You need.
You need permission.
Why not?
Okay.
Is it even godly to be going to, for a woman or married people to be going to each other's house?
Wow.
It's not now. If you check out from the beginning, right, now where we lose our value as humans. If everything they right, man no go dey even go woman house before. Now their immorality, all this way no matter. Their immorality stay dey start. If we check am, that's why you see people they hate the palace, they hate all the church where we say they get good precepts. Woman or married boy and girl, they go each other house. They go do it. What they will do at last? Nothing. You know they right. Even self, if man need permission to go woman house, woman need permission to come each other. Just normal something. Yeah, you need permission.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you pay a rent for your girlfriend, you still need to take permission to visit that house. Because even your landlord, who is the owner of the house, do not bash into your house because you rented the house. The same with God. God has rented this world to man, but God does not interfere into the affairs of man without the man's permission. So if you rent a house for your girlfriend, endeavor to take permission before visiting that house. Thank you and God bless you. I am the Deputy Jesus, and this is Moment of Unquestionable Truth. I'm out.